Great achievements are born of great adversity. A perfect way to describe the recently achieved feat by Trenchless Engineering Services, or TESPL. The successful completion of a formidable 4-kilometer long HDD crossing across the mighty Ganga River in a record time of just 76 days. This 4-kilometer long HDD crossing is one of the most challenging and crucial part of the 1,650 kilometers long crude oil pipeline laid between Odisha and the Numaligarh refinery in Assam. The pipeline originates from the Paradeep port, passing through Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar and Assam before reaching the Numaligarh refinery. Numaligarh Refinery Limited, or NRL, awarded this challenging HDD crossing across the Ganga River to Trenchless Engineering Services.
We are here to install a 4,020 meter pipeline, 26 inches under the mighty Ganga. This is a part of PNCPL project, which is Paradeep Numaligarh crude pipeline project. I think this is almost 1,600 kilometers. The main challenge on this big project is to cross a very big river, which is mighty Ganga. And here it stands at almost 4,000 meters, which is one of the world's longest pipeline crossing for this dia. We are very thankful for AIL to be our prime PMC and Numaligarh Refinery Limited to have confided in us and have awarded the job to us. Over for next 10 to 12 hours, and I think we should be celebrating here pretty soon.
गंगा नदी पे हम लोग 4 किलोमीटर का क्रॉसिंग करना है और इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए ट्रेंचलेस को काम दिया गया है। ट्रेंचलेस देश की बहुत ही रिप्यूटेड एचडीडी कंपनी है। नुमालीगढ़ रिफाइनरी अपने बहुत ही एम्बिशियस प्रोजेक्ट रिफाइनरी एक्सपेंशन के लिए काम कर रही है, जिसमें रिफाइनिंग कैपेसिटी मुझे 3 मिलियन से 9 मिलियन तक करना है। और इस प्रोजेक्ट में एक स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट है जिसे बोलते हैं पारादीप नुमालीगढ़ प्रोजेक्ट पाइपलाइन। PNCPL प्रोजेक्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का मेगा नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट में शामिल था। नुमालीगढ़ रिफाइनरी से देश के नॉर्थ और ईस्टर्न स्टेट के एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट को देखते हुए इस प्रोजेक्ट को किया जा रहा है। इस प्रोजेक्ट के होने के बाद हम लोग अपने नेबरिंग कंट्रीज जैसे बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, भूटान, बर्मा, इन जगहों को भी पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
The Ganga River Crossing project involved laying a 26-inch main line and a 6 inches auxiliary line beneath the riverbed spanning 4,000 meters. TESPL deployed several measures to overcome formidable geographical challenges at site and emerged victorious. Meticulous planning was crucial to complete the work in a tight 4-month window due to river basin flooding during rest of the year. State-of-the-art equipment was deployed for smooth execution, including 2 numbers 1100 American Odgers HDD rigs, 500 tons each from both ends, indigenously designed and fabricated 500-ton pipe thruster, F800 mud pumps, 700 GPM recycling units, and a pneumatic hammer as contingency equipment. A fleet of 800 drill pipes minimized the time lost in road transfers between the rig side and pipe side, which had the poor road connectivity of 200 kilometers. Design and fabrication of special reamers allowed dual-sided pumping, which eased the mud purging process and enabled efficient load handling. The intersection method with simultaneous drilling from both ends ensured greater accuracy and reduced risks.
और इस काम को ट्रेंचलेस ने जनवरी में शुरू किया था और आज के दिन 26 इंच का पुलिंग कंप्लीट कर लिया जाएगा। ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण था और इसे ट्रेंचलेस ने अपने निश्चित समय सीमा के अंदर करके कंप्लीट किया है। ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोजेक्ट है और इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम लोग निश्चित समय सीमा के अंदर कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं।
Testament to TESPL's meticulous planning and technological prowess intersection was achieved within 16 days on 9th February 2024, and pulling was completed in the next 63 days on 12th April.
Hi, what can I say? Nothing succeeds like success. Us on this job at Ganga River Crossing near Katihar in Bihar for NRL and EIL, we just delivered a 4,000 meter 26-inch crossing in a record time of about 75 days. Working tirelessly for 24 hours every day of the week, we finished this, and by God, did we pull it in style. We innovated, we had a thruster on the other side, we had a 500-ton rig on this side, with a very experienced crew, with a great team effort, nice engineering, we are able to deliver it record time. I think we are ready for bigger, better, more complex jobs, and I'm sure with our team, with our expertise and with our equipment, we'll be able to deliver it.
The successful HDD crossing across the Ganga River for Numaligarh Refinery Limited was achieved in a record time of 76 days, setting a new benchmark in India's HDD landscape, and yet another glorious milestone for TESPL. TESPL is proud to have surpassed expectations and having contributed towards nation building and a better future, one project at a time.